Hey guys, Adam here. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer money from YourSafe account to GCash. Let me tell you before starting the video that there is no direct method to transfer money from YourSafe account to GCash, but I will show you a workaround that you can follow, and by my method you can actually transfer money from YourSafe to GCash. First of all, you need to have a YourSafe debit card in order to transfer your money from YourSafe to GCash. If you do not have any debit card, then you cannot transfer. But if you have a debit card, so what you have to do is go to YourSafe website and log in with your account and select debit card to check if you have a debit card. And if you have a debit card, then go to your local ATM machine and cash out the amount of money. For example, if you want to transfer $10 to your GCash, then take out $10 from the machine from your YourSafe account with your YourSafe debit card. Once you have made the transaction and cash out the money, then all you have to do then deposit the same money to your GCash. And how you can actually do it, I can show you some steps. Like you have to select GCash at the machine. Okay, once you've selected the GCash, you have to input your 11-digit GCash mobile number, and after you have entered your phone number, enter the desired cash in amount. If you have cashed out $10, you have to select $10, and then you have to insert the cash payment into the machine, wait for the machine to print out a receipt, and you have successfully transferred money from YourSafe account to your GCash. And that's my workaround. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.